Today we're going to talk about water. I'm Ava.
I'm Evie.
And I'm Rebecca.
First, I'm going to talk about the water cycle. The water cycle is the path that all water moves along as it travels in different forms around the Earth. Liquid water is found in oceans and lakes. In New Haven, drinking water is found in Lake Gilliard. Liquid water from oceans and lakes evaporates and goes into the atmosphere. Water from plants also goes into the atmosphere via transpiration. As the water vapor goes higher in the atmosphere, it creates clouds which then rain the water back down into the lakes and oceans.
A watershed is part of the land where all the water that falls on the ground goes to the same place. So what does that mean? Imagine you are standing on top of a mountain. When it rains, the water runs down the mountain. That water goes down the mountain and then goes into a river. This river might flow into a bigger river and flow into the sea. Now imagine that all the rain on all the mountains around you also flows into the same river and the same sea. All of these mountains are in the same watershed. Anywhere that the rain falls and goes to the same place is in the same watershed.
Next, we'll talk about water contamination, of which there are various types. One type of contamination that we care about is bacteria and parasites from human and animal waste. These chemicals can be harmful for us if they get into our drinking water and harmful for plants and animals that live in the water. Another main type of pollution comes from runoff from pesticides and fertilizers used in farming. These chemicals can be poisonous for the fish that live in the water. Finally, pollution can come from factories and industries that are near rivers. For example, in 2019, there was a power plant in New Haven that leaked some harmful chemicals into the Mill River that had to be cleaned up. When we know that humans are going to use a water source for drinking, we add some chemicals such as chlorine and fluoride that make it safer and healthier to drink. But too much of these chemicals can be unsafe. The government also has policies such as the Clean Water Act and Safe Drinking Water Act to protect us and the plants and animals that also drink the water or live near it.
Okay everybody, so I'm going to show you how to do a little watershed demo. All you need is a piece of paper and some water. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take up this paper and we're going to crumple it lightly into some kind of shape. And once you've done that, you're going to unfold it and you see it kind of looks like a little landscape with mountains. So now what you're going to do is you can use your hands or you can use a spray bottle and you're going to spritz it onto there and you're going to watch what happens.